Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to open a transformer called Soundwave. He folds up into some kind of armored vehicle here. Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to open one of the Hasbro Transformers. This one's called Soundwave. There it is right there. It says 6 easy steps. Folds up into well, it looks like an armed car of some kind. We'll show you how that's done. Open it up and get it started. Let's do it. Alright, here he is. Let's open him up and we'll get to folding him up. There's your instructions on the back. Says 6 easy steps. See if we can get him open here. Have to tear the package open, I guess. Yeah, there we go. Is this instructions? Let's see. No, it's not. There's your instructions on the back right there. It says 6 steps. Cannon. There he is. Soundwave, there's parts. Alright, fold this up right there, those 2 pieces. Pull your arm out, up, and in. Right there. Other side the same way. Okay, turn him around, lift that up, get it down there. Fold your feet in. Fold him up right here. This side the same way. They clip together and slip in a little slot right there. Okay. There he goes. Now your hood piece goes on right here, slips on that little rod right there. Not easy to get that down in there, but we'll get it. No, it's not in there good yet, is it? There we go. There he is. There's your antenna. There's your cannon. There he is. Alright, let's unfold him now. Cannon off, antenna off, hood unsnaps. Fold these out just like you did folding them in, like so. Feed out. Pull it out. Down, same way here. Fold those 2 pieces back down on his shoulders. There he is. Alright, we're back to the Soundwave robot. Alright, we'll see you next time.